So, the program is online shopping cart. So, for the first line is hihingiin yung pangalan ng product. Then, ganun din sa product 2 and 3. Then, next naman is quantity. Since number yung hinihingi dito is naka-int siya. Then, next naman is yung price. Kaya, naka-float for decimal. Then, dito naman is yung subtotal. Subtotal nung tatlong product. Then, dito naman yung total is pagsasama-samahin lang yung tatlong product para makuha yung total. Then, summary ng product. Then, total. So, ayun.